You like cookies?
I love cookies.
You like candy? Drew, you like sweets?
Sure, I'm in.
Do you like sweets?
Well, everyone likes sweets, but where do you stash those sweets? Do you share them with your sweetheart? One couple's argument over sweets turned bitter, so bitter it went viral. When Stacy opened her fridge to find her fiancé had locked away the sweets, she couldn't let the sugar swipe go. She put him on blast on Facebook, writing, "So this is what it has come to. You buy a house together, have a child together, get engaged, are planning a wedding, and doing your house up, and this happens. Surely this is breakup material, right?" This sweet squabble went viral, and the woman clarified she was joking. There's been no bitter breakup. But would you be laughing about your sweets being locked away?
Mary, you look like...
Everyone here saying no, I wouldn't be okay with that.
Like you would not condone this.
No, well, you know, really, he's locking up my sweets. What else is he gonna lock up? You know? Where does it stop?
First of all, it is kind of cruel and unusual punishment. They're calling it the chalk block, but this is not actually... There's actually a behavioral principle here, because when you lock something up, when it's out of sight, it's out of mind. Unfortunately, it's in a clear box.
Whoa.
So that's the problem. That's the unusual punishment
That's
part.
taunting in my book.
It's a
But guess what? We're all guilty of hiding
look.
something from your significant other that you don't
What
want them
are you
to eat.
hiding?
Yeah.
Well, like a sweet or a cookie or...
I don't hate this, because I know for me growing up, and I respect my mom for it, but she hid all sweets. And the truth is, I didn't eat as many sweets as I would have. For instance, brownies. Yes, if brownies are just sitting there, I will eat every single one. Like once I start, it's hard to stop.
That's right.
I would use this. I would use it for myself.
You would? Okay, but don't you think that there's other ways to do this instead of having it in a clear box where you have to stare at it all the time?
Well, that is cruel.
And also,
that's
like,
bad.
right, that's what I'm
I
saying.
don't like the clear, but we're sitting here acting like this is grounds for breaking up.
It's not, but some people
It is. Well, it is.
Is it because it's clear and it's taunting? It's like right there in the fridge?
Well, first of all, looking at the picture of him, and maybe he should stay away from the sweets. You know.
Now I know where you're going, Mary.
Why should he be the controller of the food, and what else is he going to control? That's my fear. When does it end?
It's kind of a fair point, although I would say if you really needed something, break in case of emergency.
I'd break
Just
it.
get a hammer.
Get me the hammer.
This is not that secure, guys.
I could
It's
break it
plastic.
right now with my fist.
It does feel a little juvenile for a partner, your romantic partner, to do this to you.
Of course it is. It's ridiculous.
Because the next thing is he's going to put the checkbook in there. Well, we don't have checkbooks.
Well, I was
he's
gonna
going to put
say,
the
the
cash
money.
in there.
But I mean, honestly,
He's going to put
Judge,
the charge card.
Judge
The
Mary's,
money.
Yeah,
you're ready to castrate this
I'm
guy.
ready to get him. Bring him on.
Okay, if you had to lock something up, what would it be for you, Mary?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Judy, do you have a
chocolate chip cookies. I'm a classic girl. I just
So
want
if your
to-
husband, he would chalk block you. That would be.
He literally would chalk block me. But actually, my husband has a worse sweet tooth than me, so it's amazing because I feel great next to him. Because he's eating like a whole pint of ice cream, and I'm like daintily eating just like out of a bowl.
Yeah, but if I were your husband, I'd put you in the box.
What did I do?
It's payback time, Judy. It's payback time.
All right, Drew, what's yours?
I'm gonna have to go with the ice cream. If I know the ice cream is there,
It's a Polish thing.
darn it, I'm gonna go right after that and eat it.